Hello, everyone. So today we are going to do what we call in our classroom book surgery. So this is when a book that you really, really love and don't want to lose has sustained a little bit of damage. As we know, turning the pages of books can often lead to small tears and stuff occurring, and we don't want anything to happen to our books. We want to hold on to them for as long as possible. So we do a little bit of surgery to repair them. So all you need for this is the book and some packing tape. And I'm going to be using this rather large roll because it's the only one I have on hand. But the tape is not too thick, so it should work just fine. So we're just going to find the first page that has a little bit of damage to it, which I know is just over here. So you see this one just has a little tear right here, and I want to fix that before it becomes too big. So what I'm going to do is just take my packing tape, just a small piece, and I want to very carefully line it up. And I like to try to make sure that the edges are lined up properly so that the white part from where the page has torn is not super visible. And we're just going to very carefully lay it down and try to press it so that it doesn't get any creases, because we want the book to sit flat when we're done. And then we're going to bring it over to the other side and very carefully do that as well. That way there's tape on both sides of it, and that will help hold it together. And as you can see right here, the binding is starting to get a little bit worn, so I'm going to put another piece of tape in here. And this part's a little bit trickier. So what you want to do is lay it on one side first and smooth it out as best you can. While bringing it right up to that edge. And then to make sure the book sits nicely when you're done with it, you want to close it over. And then we'll open it back up. And just press it. This way it gets right into that crease and really puts a good seal on it. And that is the long and short of it. There are a few more pages in the book to be repaired, but I think you guys get the gist. So I'll put some tape on these other sections. And you can see here where this page got a really large tear in it. So it took a couple pieces of tape at different angles. And you always want to make sure to do both sides. So I hope you guys have a good idea on how to fix your books so that you can hold on to them a lot longer. And I wish you luck fixing your own favorite book. Bye, everyone.